Another boom. Oh my god! Jesus Christ, I sure to hope somebody was in there. Oh my fucking god.
Oh. They just put the fire out.
That's what they did?
I don't know. Either they did or what, but...
Holy shit.
Burnt the plastic off the pile of corn.
There's another boom. There's still flames. Yep. The whole back side of that other shed.
That's a shop.
The shop, yeah.
Yeah. I was going to say, there was a truck. I seen a white truck inside the shed.